We're going to use this picture to explain how to properly round. First thing I want to point out is the roller coaster. So any number that is below 5, so 4, 3, 2, and 1, we're going to round down. Any number that is greater than or equal to 5, so 5 through 9, we're going to round up. So what you're going to want to do is underline the rounding place and then look next door. So let's try that with the number 472. If I wanted to round that to the nearest 100, I would underline the rounding place. So I would underline 4 and then look next door. Next door I have a 7. So since 7 is greater than or equal to 5, I'm going to round up, which means I'm going to round this number 4 to 5 and I'm going to get 500. When I'm rounding down, let's say I want to round this number to the nearest 10, the 10th place is this 7. I look next door and I got a 2, so I got to round down. I'm going to round this down to 470. When you're rounding decimals, this is a great saying to remember. First thing to do is find your place. Again, just like when you're doing whole numbers, once you find your place, you look next door. 5 or greater, you go up. You just add one more. 4 or less, let it rest. All digits in front just stay the same. All digits behind, zeros their name. So for these examples, let's say I wanted to round 38.47 to the nearest 10th. So I'm going to find my place. My place is at this 4. I look next door and I have a 7. Since it's 5 or greater, I'm going to add one more, and this gives me 38.50. Notice 38, the digits in front stay the same, the digit behind is 0. For the second example, 1.914. We want to round this to the whole number, so this is a little review from the first, but this is with decimals involved. So I find my place, I look next door, 9 is definitely 5 or greater, so I'm going to add one more, which means this turns into a 2. There are no digits in front to stay the same, but they are digits behind, which is why we add these 3 zeros. Whenever you have trouble rounding a number, please look back to this video.